Hello and welcome to tbfsi.com. My name is Amol Dethe and I'm in conversation with Sanjay Mehta, angel investor. He's a founder and partner of 100x.vc. Sanjay, welcome on the show.
Thank you, Amol. Thank you for having me.
Great. The very important thing I would like to learn from you is, in fact, I want you to decode the deal that happened between Facebook and Jio platform today. Jio is obviously owned by the Reliance Industries, and it's one of the largest deal, not only for the tech companies but also the digital world in India, and also it's one of the largest investments of Facebook in terms of investment in one particular company. So how do you see this deal panning out in India? What are the benefits of this deal that you see in India?
From a Facebook perspective, this is a great story for WhatsApp. They have a great portfolio of companies, be it across WhatsApp, be it Instagram, and Facebook itself has got lots of users in India. So this, in combination with Geo, gives them quite a lead in the Indian internet ecosystem. So the way I will look upon this is that India is now becoming a battleground for all the tech giants, be it across Google, Amazon, and Facebook. Amazon was already very bullish on India and they invested heavily. Google had India on its priority always, and now we will see across an accelerated investment from Google coming across, because now with this investments, Facebook has really jumped multiple hoops in terms of taking the lead in the Indian internet ecosystem. So I believe it's a game changer. Lots of value creation will happen on this platform, and I believe with combination of GeoMart, WhatsApp, it's going to be an omnipotent ingredient to create a platform for SME and small businesses.
The important question that I have here is the timing of the deal. When most of the startups and fintechs are actually worried because we are working under the lockdown, the situation is really bad, the economy. How important this particular timing is, whether it is really good for the fintechs to be optimistic right now. And second is, what are the actual benefits that you see for the SMEs, MSMEs? Because the deal speaks about the merchants business. This deal speaks about the retailers business going ahead.
See, today WhatsApp has become de facto messaging communication, and I would put it for business. It is now become like a CRM where all my contacts are there, all my customer engagements are there. We have started looking at placing orders on WhatsApp. There is already business which is happening on WhatsApp, whether we like it or not, because it's one of the most pervasive and frictionless tools which is available. So businesses will start using WhatsApp with GeoMart in conjunction to try and create across their access to customers and faster deliveries. And I believe it's a very good supply chain story which can be built across. So there is a win-win situation which is happening across both from a platform usage perspective. Right now, WhatsApp payments are stuck across in the government, lobby and corridors, getting approvals. I'm sure with Reliance partnership that will move across much faster. And being a local, having a local partner like Reliance makes a lot of sense for Facebook getting their foothold in India market. Geo has changed the landscape of Indian internet usage, and it has added tremendously to the GDP perspective of India, because now more and more consumption of internet is happening across, and that is enabling digital India. So my belief, this is a welcome move. We will have to look upon, and couple of concerns which I will raise across here while I'm celebrating this is
Right.
going to be on data privacy, on net neutrality, in terms of monopoly creation. So these are going to be some of the factors which needs to be understood, and I'm sure government of India is working on that. And while they would be giving approval to this deal and closing across and rolling out soon, I'm sure we will see across much clearer picture in coming days.
So in fact, I also wanted to learn more on this particular aspect. So obviously, Facebook is a giant social media company, and Reliance is also a very big company. Jio platform has so many entities inside this. Don't you think that they will create a dominance over the entire digital world in the India?
I would not disagree on that, but
Mm.
I would look more from an India and Indians benefit perspective. The idea is yes, it is one of the large platform which would get created, but
Right.
over the time that is going to bring an homogeneity. People will across have an access to single platform, and that will bring across seamless transaction enablement which will happen across. So we will have to see across what shape and form this is going to come, and how GeoMart plus WhatsApp payment is going to change the rules of the game. I'm little worried about all the startups which are in the deliveries, be it Grofers, Big Basket, be it across Udan. Now, all these businesses which are into delivery of goods, in that sense, would have a compete in comparison to what GeoMart is doing across. So rather than me looking at competition to Amazon or Flipkart, I would be more worried on all these startups, on their survival, their next funding rounds.
Right. So WhatsApp payment is one of the very, very important thing which is coming out of this particular deal, and WhatsApp has more users in India. But do you think, considering the other models in payment space which developed in last 4 to 5 years, maybe it's Razorpay, PhonePe, or in fact even Google Pay, the WhatsApp payment will have a tough competition with them, or perhaps WhatsApp will have a more dominance over those payments, and it would be really difficult for even to survive in this particular market if WhatsApp, Geo, and Facebook goes and rallies.
Facebook payment, Facebook itself started across a journey with Libra, and that's one of the cryptocurrency tokens which they wanted to use across from the payment side. And so Facebook has been toying across, moving from the social media side, trying to build business around outside of advertising. So with WhatsApp payment is one of the best ways for them to enable the business and get the engagement with businesses. That, I think, it's more or less a driving factor. But let's not forget it that with even with Amazon might and muscle, Flipkart could survive and grow to a significant level. So I don't see as much as a challenge in next short term period, but it will depend upon how good their user interface, how good their engagement, how well the government of India or NPCI is supporting their motives, or you know this is all going to be beginning with single word called trust. If they are
Right.
able to establish trust with Indian consumers, then I don't see problem with Indian consumers adopting WhatsApp payment or GeoMart. So I think time will unveil what are the right strategies for other startups also to figure out, or startups in the fintech area, to what to do next. But I'm sure everybody is now alert. Everybody is now started thinking with this new big giant in the room. We can't ignore it. No longer it is something where we can put it on a sidelines and do business as usual. Things have changed, and all startups will have to change.
Thank you, Sanjay, for those excellent insights. It's always pleasure to listen to you. Thank you so much for talking to ETBFSI, Sanjay. Thank you so much.